Hey everyone, welcome to the Anderson Bros Outdoors. I'm Jake, and today, as you can see, we are at a special location. This is a rock quarry that's local to me. I did get special permission to run here, otherwise it would be illegal. Today we're going to be running this guy. It is Axial SCX6 RC Speedy. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. The Axial SCX6 that has been converted to a RC Speedy. Not anything special, just a chassis from RC Speedy and a stock SCX6. Now obviously we do have the Treps, the Pro Line Trepadors, or Treps, Trepador, whatever you want to call it. Treps is treppin'. We are in low gear right now. One thing that we did do is make this custom rear piece. It'll be a fuel cell / battery holder / scale parts holder. So we will be releasing that on Cuts 3D at some point. So really, we're just out here today messing around, having fun. It is really cold, so probably won't do a whole lot. Whew. Hung up on the rear axle. Be a bouncer. It does have the speed for it. The second gear. First gear is what we really need on this truck is a set of the Anyway, what I was saying is we do need a set of the 2.9 Battleborns. That would be sweet. Hint, hint. Vanquish, or whoever wants to make them, that would be awesome. We would buy a couple of sets. Oh, that sounds lovely. I'm not sure if that's the trans or the diff. I'm hoping. So I'm kind of hoping secretly that's the diff instead of the trans, because I do have the overdrive and underdrive diffs coming from Vidavon. This thing is so rowdy, it's so much fun. That would be second gear. And it, we're going to call that the bouncer gear. Oh, there. So when I first got the SCX6, I wasn't a huge fan of it. It's really top heavy. It's really bulky. It's really, I don't want to say not fun to drive, but it wasn't fun to crawl. It was more of a, it's more of a scale truck than it was a, I'm going to try second gear here. Oh, yeah, just like that. Bounce it. Reminds me of a song. Anyway, so wasn't a huge fan of it when I first got it because it was just not, I don't even know how to put this. It wasn't too realistic, but it was at the same time. So since I've added this Speedy cage, it has made it a lot more, it's made it a lot more fun while also maintaining scale realism. This is obviously what you would consider something like a class 3. You wouldn't be legally allowed to drive something like this on the road in most places. And so I think that that's really kind of what makes it fun, is that it is still scale, but at the same time, it's way more capable. I would like to see a little more steering out of it, but it's really a limitation of the axles. And it's not a huge issue because it does get the job done. Let's see if we can climb this little wall here without bouncing it. So the inserts are probably a little stiff for the weather. These are definitely warmer weather inserts. So they are a little stiffer. So this is more bouncing than it is crawling. Woo! That was a good save. Woo! The reverse is real touchy. We're gonna put it back in first gear because I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to where we need to be. There we go. Made a path, maybe we can get up it. Woo! Look at that. The old trapping there, huh? This looks like it would be super soft sand stuff, but it's actually really hard like concrete. Oof. That was definitely front diff right there. Yeah, not the way we wanted to go, but it's the way the truck forced us to. See if we can do this little thing right here. It's really going to depend on if we can get this passenger rear up there on that rock and then the front aimed where we want it. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's definitely front diff there. Oh, oh no. There we go. No, I don't think we've got a good enough hook there. Sure don't. It was a nice save. We're just missing some motor noises. And this thing is a certified bouncer. That second gear, man, is vicious. Oh no. Now we're in it. Like I said, I did order new diffs, so I'm not super concerned about them clicking like that. I think really what's happening is I don't think that the housing is able to hold it together, and the plastic flexes too much and it lets it jump teeth. I don't know that it's actually got broken teeth, per se. Fingers are getting cold. We're not long for this session. It is 34 degrees outside right now. It was about 10 degrees when I woke up this morning. I mean, so here's first gear, and here's second gear. I mean, it's really crazy about, you don't even need much throttle in second to get to where you want to go. That's not good. I did say it was cold outside today, so we will obviously need to warm up the tires, most of these spots, to we'll clean them off anyway. Basically hung up on the skid. And that was a good save. That about covers today. We wanted to get out and share some of the RC Speedy here. And yeah, it's a ton of fun. Would highly recommend. You could see our battery box fuel cell. This is iteration 2. It's got magnets and it's got this strap holding it down. I still need to make the fuel cell topper here for it. I just haven't. And then you've got space here for your scale stuff, and it follows the frame. So super cool. Will be on Cuts 3D here real soon. And we're going to do an interior as well. You can see we have a flat piece covering the electronics because I didn't like it sticking out. It's not really in there very well, but it's better than nothing. So we appreciate you watching. We appreciate you making it this far. Huge shout out to the TABO Club members, and as always, we hope you have a great day.